This is activity 2.5 on page 73, setting line and paragraph spacing. My fact sheet formatting is open in Word. The list is taking up more vertical space than you would like. You will eliminate the space between lines within each paragraph and reduce the amount of space between each paragraph. So underneath our scenario, it shows our before. You can see excuse me, there is a lot of space between each item, which is just making it spill over onto multiple pages. And you can see that after, we're going to eliminate that space and make it more condensed, but keep that column appearance. So number 1, set the line spacing to single. We're going to place the insertion point as shown in front of the word items. And we're going to scroll down if you need to in order to see the last paragraph of our list. And we're going to hold down our Shift key and click at the end of the paragraph. So right here where that marker is. And that's just another way of selecting all of our text. If you don't want to do it that way, you want to click and drag, perfectly fine. Just make sure your list is selected, and then letter C on our Home tab in our paragraph group, we're going to select our dialog box launcher. So this opens up our paragraph dialog box. This box provides controls you can use to numerically set alignment, indentation, and spacing options as an alternative to using the ribbon and ruler controls that we have already used. We're going to change the line spacing to single. So you can see right now mine is set to multiple. I'm going to select single from that drop down. This option specifies that you want to use normal single line spacing to separate lines inside the same paragraph. I'm going to click OK, exit out of my dialog box. And so there is now less spacing between lines within each paragraph, but there is still a lot of space after each paragraph. So you can see the spacing in between the lines has condensed, but still a lot of spacing in between each of the paragraphs. So now we're going to reduce that spacing. Make sure the paragraphs in the list of acceptable items are still selected. And we're going to go back into our paragraph group and select that dialog box launcher again. And down in our spacing section, we're going to change the after to 2. So right now mine is at 8. I can scroll down, but you can see that 2 is not an option. So I can just type it directly in here. I'm going to click OK from here. I'm going to click anywhere in the document to deselect my text, and you can see there's still a little bit of spacing in between each of the items, which are the paragraphs, but it has condensed a lot from that 8 point to 2 point. All right, I'm going to go up to my quick access toolbar, save my updates, and we'll leave this open for our next activity.